Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and in today's video I'm going to take my Sony A5100 A5100 paired with the RISEPRAY 35mm f1.6 manual focus lens, which cost me just €35 new. And as it's the Christmas season, we're going to go out during the evening and shoot some images using the full aperture on this lens, which is f1.6. Okay, so for those of you who have been watching my channel recently, you'll know that I downgraded to the Sony A5100 from the Sony ZV-E10. I needed a small portable camera and I was having a number of issues with my ZV-E10. If you want to know more about why I made the change, please check out this video linked in up here. So you may also know that I have other cameras, and one of my favorites is the Panasonic Lumix S5. But that's a much bigger and bulkier camera, and the lenses are also much bigger. The great thing about the Sony A5100 paired with a small lens like this is that it fits into a small hard case and you can literally travel anywhere you want to with it. It doesn't occupy any space. I also uploaded a video recently talking about the hard case which I used to travel with my Sony A5100 and all the contents which I include in that hard case, as well as a portable lighting setup which fits nicely into my cabin flight case. If you want to see that video and see which hard case I'm using for this, you can follow the link up here. So as I said, today we're going to go out in the evening and we're going to take advantage of the fact that there are lots of lights in the streets. It's Christmas time, and because I'm going to be shooting at an aperture of f1.6 and I'm going to be using a shutter speed of 1/80th of a second, which is approximately double the focal length of the lens, as is usually recommended, the ISO, which I have set to automatic, will adjust the exposure for me. And using those other two parameters of the exposure triangle, it should keep it within an acceptable ISO level. So let's take a look at those images and see whether the Sony A5100 paired with the RISEPRAY 35mm f1.6 manual focus lens creates some interesting images. I'm looking forward to seeing bokeh and light balls in the background and maybe in the foreground of these images. Okay, so the results were not that bad at all, considering this is a 10-year-old camera model and this lens is a budget-priced €35 manual focus lens. I think those images look pretty nice, and looking at those images has encouraged me to continue using this camera lens combination to experiment further with it. All of the gear used in the making of this video is linked down in the description in my affiliate links. If you do decide to purchase something through one of my affiliate links, thank you. The price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. Please let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of the image quality from this lens camera combination. And if you have any questions or other comments, also please leave them in the same place. If you liked this video and found it interesting, please click on the like button and share it also with any friends or family who may like this type of content. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.